कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, अरे कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो। साहब मिले सबूरी में, अरे साहब मिले सबूरी में, मन लागो यार फकीरी में, मन लागो।
I find I have so much resistance to this place, and I have no idea why.
You may have an idea as well, it doesn't matter. If you try hard enough, you will get some idea. Mind does not like a vacuum. It will offer some explanation. How will that help? There are so many things that we resist. Yes, that's it.
Because it has to do anything with the ego. I don't know why, but when I see
If you already know, do you see, you still want to ask? I could have easily said, you know, the resistance is coming from the ego. I didn't say. And then you are prompting me to say, is it the ego? Is it the ego? Would you call it the ego? Why should I call it the ego? You already know that it is the ego.
why.
Because you want it to remain as such.
Why it doesn't feel this resistance in other places.
Because there you want that to remain as such. Other places the ego finds nourishment. Here probably it is not finding that. You already know all this. Why do you just want me to validate? Huh?
I'm not sure.
You are sure.
Well,
Don't try to be unsure.
it's just that I have so much judgments on people here.
You can keep judging people. There is nothing wrong with that. But judge rightly. Let the truth judge for you. If ego will judge, then it will only judge as per its conditioning. Let the truth judge.
I feel that the whole place is a spiritual circus.
The whole place is?
A spiritual circus.
Of course it is. So, the whole world is a circus. What is the big deal in it? Of course it is a spiritual circus. You want us to applaud for your observation?
No, I don't.
So what's the big deal? Yes, of course, it's evident. Everybody knows that. You have ringmasters, you have lots of animals of various sizes, shapes, colors. You have public coming in, you have daily shows, you have fancy girls, you have magicians, you have people doing the rope trick. Catching pigeons from thin air. Yes, of course.
So is this a place to come to your truth?
No place contains the truth. If you know that this is a spiritual circus, you must also know this. Truth is not to be found in any particular place. What are you doing here?
That's why I'm asking myself.
Enjoy the circus. If you have come here for the truth, you will just be left wondering. Once you know that there is a circus, either be here or leave. Till the time the circus has meaning for you, watch it. When you say, fed up, leave. That's it. Of course it is a circus.
Does being in nature have any benefit, or is it just fun?
Just for benefit for whom? Why do you want to benefit? We keep talking the language of deprivation, as if we are short of something, so we must have some benefits. What are you short of? Why do you want to be benefited? Do you want to further complete the complete?
So we just need to reset our mind and system of beliefs. Just
You are so capable, you will be able to do all of that.
no, no,
You will reset your mind.
How?
Oh, well, yeah, of course.
Ow.
We have a nuclear power plant close by. Go there and reset the whole power plant. Go.
Seems to be we are already in the center. The truth is here, no place, but we are covered of layers and layers.
There is a chip that runs your car engine. You won't even be able to reset that. But so casually you say, oh, we must reset our mind. Who are you? How do you do that? Surrender is to say that even that I cannot do. And that is then a total full stop to all your activity. I cannot bring in a new chip, I cannot reset the existing chip, I do not even know whether it is because of a chip, I know nothing. And then stuff happens. And I do not even know whether stuff would happen. Then. Remember that whatever you know only gives you fear. When you do not know anything, then you become capable of great action. Great action. Your fear comes from your knowledge. When you drop your belief in your knowledge, then you are capable of fearless action. What do you call us as a small action, a petty action? What is a petty action? That caters only to your limited needs and hence causes suffering to you. A great action is no special action, it is just that it is not petty. Not petty. Not coming from my fears and not in the direction of fears. That is a great action. It won't be a loud action, it won't necessarily be a very conspicuous action. Ostensibly, it could be a very trivial action and yet great if it is not arising from your petty self. You are passing by someone and in your joyful self, without any reason, without any thought, you just pat him on the back and walk past him. That is a great action. It means nothing. It does not even get registered in the memory. That person may or may not acknowledge you. You do not even want acknowledgement. But this is a great action because this was done without an expectation of results. It was not coming out of fear or greed. Hence it is a great action. A small, big action. Yes?